Right, this is called You're a Terrible Dancer. This poem was featured on Made in Liverpool TV, so I've been on TV, which means I'm better than you by the laws of capitalism. Yeah, that's the level we're working at. Right, this is called You're a Terrible Dancer. Movement should be graceful. You should be Swan Lake-like, not nutcracking. You should be light in your Nikes, not just going like that. You're like an epileptic squirrel caught in the throes of a blender on the 43rd day of a Ritalin bender. I doubt I need to say much more about that most odd stance, almost prance, scarcely balanced. It's a definite experience to witness you at the height of your scariest, or my Texas Chainsaw Ballroom masochist. Seeing you dance feels like freshly shaved genitals slapped with Tabasco, moving that mass so fast. Well, it might sound poetic, but the fact of the matter is that you are just a terrible dancer. You're still on the floor and I'm all but floored. It's an oculosaurus seeping poor, the sight of you on that dance floor. You're a nugget of pain, a large drink of disdain, but it's an unhappy meal, so there's not even a free toy to gain. You are like a gazelle with a lance jammed through its anterior cortex to put you in context, doing that dance I call the inferior vortex. When it comes to being bad, you are ambidextrous, but then somehow subtle gyrations of your solar plexus procured you drinks from a woman named Alexis, and in my head I thought, God help us, because now it appears we're stealing drinks from the cyclists, and I'm fairly certain that's a hate crime, but I can't be sure of it, so don't peg me to it. The nightclub is closing and my number is smudging under the cringing sweat on the back of your hand. I'm loving it with the interpreted dancers. Really sound, yeah. The nightclub is closing and my number is smudging under the cringing sweat on the back of your hand, and I'm indebted to your wetted extensions. Let me get out from your steadfast protrusions of prison composed supposed illusions. I've taken a square to the eye and a triangle to the chippy, because you don't throw shapes, baby, you throw shurikens. Oh, watching your dance moves feels like accidentally sexting your mum when you're drunk because you didn't read the screen right. I just want to unsee what's already been done, but it sticks like old chewing gum and tastes like it too. If your dance moves were a film genre, they'd be a rom-com, specifically one with Hugh Grant banging on and 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 on. Because I want to put one in my skull just to see it all stop. That move that you call blowing up the tyre leaves less to be desired than sex when you're tired, and if Pinocchio said you look great, he'd take out your eye. Your only slightly rhythmic palaver is so shockingly unsexy, it puts condom machines out of order at 30 paces, and when your jam comes on made of fresh pressed Chuck Berries, I run for the fences, because you are just a terrible dancer. Thank you. Thank you very much, that was really helpful. Right, did you have the wrong side on?